Good morning, dear students. Now today we will continue activity 2 of chapter 6, factors and multiples. Now we start question number 7. Complete the factor trees. 210. 210 is divided by 2, then we write here 105. Then the question comes 105. When we multiply these two numbers, then we get 210. Now 2 we write it as it is and 105. Now we write the number 35 here, and now 35 is multiplied by which number? Then we get 105. Then we write here 3. If 3 is multiplied by 35, then 105 comes. यहाँ पे 35 दिया हुआ था, तो हम देखेंगे कि 35 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारा 105 आ जाए. और हम कह सकते हैं कि 105 is divided by 35, then the quotient is 3. So we multiply these two numbers, then we get 105. Now 3 we write it here as it is. Again we see in which table 35 comes. Now the table of 5, the 35 comes how many times? This 7 times. So we multiply these two numbers, then we get 35. Now here all the numbers be the prime numbers. So these are the factors of 210. If we multiply all these numbers, then we get 210. Question number 8. Find the prime factorization by factor tree method. We will find out the prime factorization of this number by factor tree method. Now first we write this number 48. Now 48 is divided by 2. The smallest prime number we can take it first. So 248 is divided by 2, then it comes 24. Again we write 2 as it is and we break 24. Then first the smallest prime number we write it here 2, and 24 is divided by 2. Here the 12 comes and we multiply these two numbers, then we get this. Now again we write 2 and this 2 again we write it here. Then we break 12 कि 12 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 2 6 12. Or we can say 12 is divided by 2, then it comes 6. And if we multiply 2 multiplied by 6, then it comes 12. Now again this we write as it is, this 2 as it is. Now we break this, then 2 multiplied by 3, then it comes 6. These are all the prime numbers, and if we multiply all the numbers, then we get 48. So the prime factorization of 48 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. This is our answer. Now the next number is 256. The method is same. First 256 is divided by 2. Then it comes 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 68. 128. Now 2 we write it here. Then again 128 is divided by 2. Then comes 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. 64. When we multiply these two, then we get 128. Then we write 2 here, then this 2, again we write here 2, and 64 is divided by 2, then it comes 32. Then this 2, here is 2, this we write it here, then 32 is divided by 2, then it comes 16. Again this 2, here is 2, this 2 we write it here, and this 2, then we break. 16 is divided by 2, then here comes 8. When we multiply this 2, then we get 16. Then again 2, then this 2, we write it here, this 2, then 8. 8 is divided by 2, then it comes 4. Again, here we write 2, here 2, this 2, then this 2, then again this 2 we write here, this 2, and 4 is divided by 2, then it comes 2. When 2 is multiplied by 2, then 4 comes. So this is the prime factorization of 256. Now count how many times 2 be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 7, 8 times we write it. And we multiply all the numbers, then we get 256. Now start question number 9. Find the prime factorization by division method. Now first we write the 98 in this. 98 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. First we take the smallest prime number, then we go the further. So 98 is divisible by 2, then it comes 2 4s are 8, 1 8, 2 9s are 18, 49. Now 49 is not divisible by 3, then we see 4, the next prime number of 3 after 3 is 5. Now again 49 is not divisible by 5, and the next prime number is 7. Now 49 is divisible by 7. So here we write 7, 7s are 49, and 7 1s are 7. The prime factorization of 98 are 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. This is the answer. Now the next number is 168. By long division method, we find out the prime factorization of this number. First, again 168 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. We write here 2 and we divide it. 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Then again it is divided by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again it is divided by 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. The next prime number after 2 is 3, and 21 is divided by 3. Then 7 times, 3 7s are 21. Then 7 is divided by 7, then it comes 1. The prime factorization of 168 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. The left hand side numbers we multiply with each other. Now we will find out the prime factorization of 300 by division method. Now we write it here and it is divided by 2, then comes 2 1s are 2, then 2 5s are 10 and 0. Again it is divided by 2, then 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. Then 75 is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Then 25 is divided by 5. 5 are 25. Then 5 is divided by 5, then 1 comes. The prime factorization of 300 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. We write all this number here in product form. Children, आपको क्या चीज़ याद रखनी है इसमें, जब भी हम इससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो ये नंबर देख रहे हैं कि पहले स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है, उससे कर रहे हैं. जब तक कि स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड होता जा रहा है तब तक कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर देख रहे हैं कि उससे डिवाइड हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. अब हमने यहाँ पे देखा ये 3 से हो रहा है तो हमने 3 से इसका क्वेश्चन लिख दिया डिवाइड करके. उसके बाद में 3 से 2 और 3 से नहीं हो रहा था, देन नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर देखा हमने. नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इसका 5 था 3 के बाद. अब उससे 25 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 5 very easily, then the question comes 5. In this way we can go further and we find out the prime factorization of a given number. One thing is important, if some particular method is given then you can find out that particular method, otherwise you can find out by any method. Prime factorization by factor tree method also you can do it, or by the division method. Now this is your homework. Solve question number 7 in book and question number 8 F to J part in your notebook, and in question number 9 B, D, F and H part solve in your notebook.